the wait for the area here under Umling block, the wait has been for 45 long years to have a proper building. Yathapti by ba, this block was created in 1980, if I'm not mistaken, 1980. And if my math is okay, it's 45 years. After the arrival of mobile phones, to add some, subtract some, we need mobile. I think 45 years is the correct one. Ngayon mau ba image o nga, por bagi daklik school, iong matagas ngikot, ihap yatek hihay ngasap, nganlik sa umling. Panlayo, panyarap ikibriw kibayok kor, panyarap ikibriw panyok, ki application kibaper na po block. And today, when we talk about efficiency, this building here, I hope, will give the efficiency that is needed to all our officers and staffs. And unless we focus on efficiency, all that we dream for will not materialize. By age, I think I'm similar with the Chief Minister, but by looks, I'm very senior to him. By the hair color, I'm in the category of senior citizens. But I'm very proud to say that we have an able leader in the face, in the personality of our Chief Minister. He has dreams. I also have dreams. All of us have dreams, but sometimes we do not combine that dream with an action. Here we have a Chief Minister who has managed to stitch his dreams along with actions. All that we see today, I was telling our Chief Minister, if it is not for the delay by the contractor,